Looking for the best agility ladders? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 agility ladders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Perfect Sports Pro Agility Ladder and Cones. Includes a 15 agility ladder, 12 disc cones, 4 metal ground anchors, and a bag for easy stowing. Rungs are thick and durable. Ladder and cones are professional grade. Built for performance and is tangle-free. Increases agility and speed. Proven to improve quick foot speed while reducing the chance of injury. Rungs are not adjustable. At number 2. GHB Pro Agility Ladder. Ladder has 12 plastic rungs, each being 16.5 inches long. Adjustable with nylon straps up to 15 inches. Overall length is 20. Comes with an included carrying bag. Helpful for football, soccer, hockey, and many other sports. This agility ladder is great for contact sports training, improves foot speed and leg strength. A bit difficult to store. Gets tangled often. At number 1. CANPPNY Speed Agility Training Kit. Comes with an agility ladder, 5 yellow disc cones, 1 resistance parachute, and a drawstring bag. Distances between rungs are fully adjustable. Running parachute provides 11 to 33 pounds of resistance. Improves both speed and strength. A complete training set that allows you to work toward your agility goals. Some users complain that the parachute does not provide enough resistance. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.